worldwide campuses of Troy University, this is TrojanVision News at Noon.
All right, and Sean Sporman joins us with weather. Now, Sean, it's been, last week, it was great. It felt just like fall, cool weather, brisk, cool winds. But this week, it's been nothing but humidity and hot. It's just like, it feels like summer again.
Yes, it does. We have abnormally high temperatures, and almost 10 degrees above normal, and the humidity values are just extreme for this time of year. It feels more like August than the second week of October. But we may see some improvements along the way, at least as temperatures go, but we're going to see a rainy weekend ahead. Let's take a look outside right now across the campus of Troy University. You can see some of our campus organizations out there enjoying some good weather at the moment. We do have a few small puffy cumulus clouds out there, but otherwise it's a pretty nice day picture-wise. But as I take a look at the current conditions, you can see it's not ideal conditions because humidity is 82%. Temperature 79 degrees with dew point of 73. Calm winds at the moment, so unfortunately, in addition to the sun bearing down and the humidity, there's just no breeze, at least right now, to really bring any relief that way. Now we're taking a look at temperatures and conditions across the state of Alabama right now. Cool spot is Huntsville coming in at 70, Mobile 84, Dothan 86. You can see it's partly to mostly cloudy all across the state of Alabama right now. Now the radar picture shows a fairly nice picture, at least. Taking a look at the radar, you can see there's just a few showers up around Tennessee, but Alabama is clear precipitation-wise, but cloud-wise it's a different story. Now again, you saw some breaks in the clouds as you took a look at the quad and campus of Troy University, but there's still some cloud cover around southeastern Alabama. The southern half is really built up. Again, it's starting to break up across portions of southeast Alabama, but again, a lot of cloud cover out toward the west especially. Almost entire states blanketed in cloud cover over here. So again, that's associated with a cold front that's going to bring some big changes to our weather forecast over the next few days. But we're going to see it, to start to see a preview of that. Again, you see the heaviest rain out here in Texas, Oklahoma, but right now, just the best chance of rain in Alabama is toward the northwest, and that's only a small chance of rain in the late evening into midnight hours especially. Now, we do have a stationary front draped across our area. Along and just to the north, and especially south of that front, is where the high humidity values and temperatures coming in out of the Gulf are. This is where the cool air is. Very cool air, in fact. It's just incredibly cold up there. You're going to have people coming home maybe saying, I was frozen today because it's just that cold up there. Temperatures in the 20s and 30s. This is more what we see in October, especially in the northern United States. And we're going to see a taste of that air. We're not going to see 30s and 40s. We're going to see a taste of that air, which has brought some of the earliest ski resort openings on record in places such as Colorado and Nevada. And one Idaho school reported that it was their earliest snow day ever, as they've seen some wintry precipitation up that way, with temperatures almost 30 degrees below normal. You saw it was nearly 8 to 10 above, and that's the way it's going to stay normal for the next couple of days. We're going to stay in the warm air as the cold front slowly approaches our area, bringing enhanced chances of rain. Now, during the day on Friday, it's only a small chance of rain. We're going to see the big chances really increase by the midnight hour, and Saturday promises to be a very rainy day across the entire state of Alabama. Here's why. Again, that cold front will come down from the northeast, sweeping down toward the southeast. Again, that's really where it's going to bring the rain and thunderstorms into our area. Some of these could be strong and heavy at times. We do not expect a significant weather outbreak. It is in the form of severe weather, so this will not be a long tornado system or anything, but a few strong storms with maybe some small hail. Brief damaging winds are possible, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. But really the main story is just going to be a lot of rain could be in our forecast. How much? 5-day potential, we're looking at what's called the Quantitative Precipitation Forecast, QPF model. One of the computer models they use to see how much rain we could see over the next 5 days. Troy could see up to 2+ inches before we get to the end of the next 5 days. Do have one tropical depression out there. Here's where we expect it to go. It's sort of going to skirt the north of the Dominican Republic and Cuba. It's a very weak storm. It may redevelop later on. A couple computer models trying to do that, but really it's very not significant right now. 86 your high today, isolated showers and storms. Otherwise tonight that will continue with a low of 70. Taking a look out at your 4-day forecast right now. Again, heavy rain will enter the forecast late Friday into Saturday. We're going to see a taste of cooler weather on Sunday, but rain will continue that day and Monday as well. So, Sean, unfortunately, the humidity is just not going anywhere anytime soon. And in fact, we're going to see heavy rain into our forecast starting tomorrow night.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Sean. Appreciate it. The next bit, and that's all the time we have for Trojan Vision News at Noon. Be sure to tune in tonight for Trojan Vision Nightly News. For all of us here, thank you for joining us and have